Welcome to the Z Hut. I'm Jay, and today we're going to take a look at the EBL 9-volt battery charger and 9-volt 600 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. So I have already unboxed this, and I charged the batteries so I can do a good review on this and tell you my opinions and how it's worked so far. But I put it all back in the box to show you what it's going to look like when you get it. Now, I got this as a kit together with the 2 batteries and the charger. I got this on eBay, and it was like $12 and some change, shipping included. So not that bad. I did notice I could order them from China and overseas for cheaper, but you know, I got this within a couple of days of ordering it instead of a couple of weeks, and I kind of needed some 9-volt batteries. So, let's open it up, and I'll show you the charger, and then I'll talk about the batteries. I've already charged the one. We'll go through those. So, you open up, and you got a little baggie with the charger, and there's a little instruction book here. And once again, beans, I do believe this is made in China. The instruction book is almost useless, so I hope you know how a battery charger works. But I wasn't worried. I've had plenty of battery chargers, and simply when the light is on red, it's charging. When it turns green, it's charged. Now this one runs off a USB, and I actually didn't even notice that when I ordered it. I thought it was wall plug-in, but no big deal. I used it the first time I plugged it into the computer. So that is that's the charge times I have to talk about on using it plugged into the computer. But in further uses, I will probably I've got some of those old wall plugs that you can put a USB into that will supply more. It'll charge them faster is what it'll do. Otherwise, the computer will work. So it just takes like your old cell phone charger cable, and I plugged it into the computer. I opened one battery. This one I haven't opened yet. I'm not going to open it and charge it until I need it. For right now, I should be fine with one battery. But I charged the one 9-volt battery, and it took roughly 3.5 hours to charge it on the computer, plugged into the USB port. And then I put the voltmeter on it, and it was 8 and like 3/4 volts. It wasn't quite 9 volt. I did some looking a little bit that I could make sense of out of the instruction book. Said that after a couple of charges, it'll reach its peak. So, and that's pretty much what it said. So I'm assuming that means it will start holding the full 9 volt, and it'll last longer then. But I did use this for quite a few hours, and it still doesn't need to be recharged. I was just running a Arduino board to see how long it would last, and it's still going good. I will be doing a update to this review later on after I've used these for a while, so look in the description below. If there's not a link there, I haven't done it yet because I'm going to wait a few weeks to do a follow-up review on this. And what I'll do then is after I've charged and discharged these batteries a few times, we'll check them out and see if that 600 milliamp hours is true or not. But otherwise, $12, not bad. The construction, I mean, it's plastic, but it's not horrible. They actually gave you a decent USB cord. I don't have one right here, but I've got some other stuff, and the USB cord would be about that long, and I'm dead serious. It'd be like 4 inches, 5 inches long for the USB cord. This, they actually gave you a full-sized one. That's nice. I can use it for charging other things as well. I'm pretty sure this isn't a data cable, so you probably can't use it for sending, connecting your cell phone, but you could probably charge it with it. But, 3.5 hours to charge it. Not bad. I'm assuming the second time I charge it, it's probably going to take closer to 4. So I'm going to, at this point, give it a 9 out of 10. I hardly ever give 10s. And the big thing is the instruction book. It's a classic Chinese instruction book that's been translated into like 15 other languages. And they most likely used a computer program to do it, because some of the stuff you read it's in English, but it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. I've dealt with plenty of these to where I can look at that and kind of figure out what they mean. So, all right. With that, we'll wrap this up. I hope you found this information useful. I do recommend this at this point. I think it's going to work. Before I ordered this, I did a little research, and these aren't supposed to be that bad. It's not like, your Energizers or Duracell rechargeables, which also to mention, the price of what I paid for all this, I mean, you'd buy 2 batteries. You wouldn't quite be able to buy 3 regular alkalines. So I got this for under the price of 3, and I got 2 rechargeable that I can recharge many times. So, all right. Thanks for joining us here at the Z Hut today. Like I said, I hope you found this information useful. Please give us a thumbs up if you did. And make sure to subscribe to check back for when I do the follow-up review on this. So I hope you have a great day and hope to see you here again.